Red. Green. Blue. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Black. Cyan. Brown. Violet. Hi kids, how are you doing today? Let's all get ready because today we're going to play with colorful shapes and have lots of fun. Let all shapes introduce themselves one by one.
Square is my name. My 4 sides are just the same. Turn me around. I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. Circle is my name. Watch me turn round and round. And soon you will learn my outside edges never end. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. Rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. 2 are short and 2 are long. Count my sides and come along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triangle is my name. Up the hill and to the top. Down the hill and then you stop. Straight across, tell me what you've got. A triangle. Yes, I'm a triangle.
Okay kids, now let's go. Play with shapes and build something more.
Yay!
Now let's show our wonderful skills. A beautiful house of shapes we will build. My 4 sides are the same. What's my name?
Square!
Yes, let's put it there. Now look aloof and tell me the shape of a roof.
Triangle!
Yes, let's place it at a perfect angle. We're going strong. Now name me a shape with 4 sides, 2 short, 2 long.
Rectangle!
Yes, a rectangle it is. And such a beautiful house we have built.
Yay!
Well, that was fun. Now, let's make another one. We might want to go someplace far. So let's all of us build a car.
Yes!
Which shape goes round and round with no end? Can you tell?
A circle!
Yes, a circle it is. Let's place it like this. A shape with 2 long sides and 2 short sides we need for our ride.
Rectangle!
Yes, it's a rectangle. And let's place it so. Which shape with 4 equal sides shall we place on the top?
A square!
Yes, it's a square. In place, let it drop. Using all the shapes, a wonderful car we have made.
Yay!
For resting, let's make a tree. Why, kids, don't you agree?
Yes!
Let's start with a rectangle this time. Now, doesn't that look fine? Which other shape should we use?
Circle? Rectangle? Oh, please tell us.
Okay, some triangles we shall choose. Wow, that looks like a beautiful tree. Kids, don't you agree?
Yes!
Kids, now let's build something more. How about a pretty little seesaw?
Yes, on a seesaw we can play all day, all day.
Okay, which shape should we start with now? A triangle will be perfect for our seesaw. Now we need a shape with 2 sides short and 2 sides long.
Yes, let's build a rectangle along.
Now let's gently place it down. Look, we have made a seesaw on our own. I'm having so much fun today.
Yes, Bob, hooray, hooray!
We need to sit and eat somewhere. Let's build a table and some chairs. We'll use 4 rectangles for the legs. Let's place them all at this angle. That looks great. Thank you, rectangle. Now, let's take a shape that's round. Kids, can you tell me where that can be found?
A circle.
Yes, it's a circle. Let's place it on the top. There's our lovely table, even prettier than from a shop. Now, let's call squares and rectangles to build our chairs. That looks wonderful. Now we can all sit somewhere. Thank you, shapes. I had so much fun today. See you next time for more fun and play. Let's learn the colors. Red. Blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Brown. Purple. Gray. Orange. Black. White. Hi, I am Bob, and I want to help you learn the numbers. Let us count all the objects on my wagon. 1 van. 1. Hi, 1.
Hi, Bob.
2 watches. 1, 2. Hello, 2.
Hello, Bob.
3 jugs. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 3.
What's up, Bob?
4 suns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, 4.
I hope you're doing good.
5 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 5.
Hey, Bob.
6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi, 6.
How you doing, Bob?
7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, 7.
It's good to see you, Bob.
8 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, 8.
Hi, Bob.
9 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, 9.
Hello, Bob.
10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, 10.
It's good to see you, Bob.
Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Hey, I'm Bob the train. I drive on the tracks. Passengers can sit inside me and travel to faraway places. I also carry goods from one place to another. Let's go and meet the other modes of transport. Look, there is a car.
Hey, Bob. I am going out for a picnic. We'll see you soon, Bob.
Look, kids, that's a police car. What do you do, Mr. Police Car?
Policemen sit inside me to catch thieves.
That's a brave job fighting against injustice. Where are you going, fire truck, in so much haste?
There are people trapped in a fire. I'm going to save them with the help of firefighters.
Look, there comes an ambulance.
I'm going to carry the sick and injured people to the hospital.
What are you doing, garbage truck?
I'm collecting garbage.
Look there, it's Crane and Bulldozer. Hey guys, what are you all doing?
Hey, Bob. I'm helping Crane by moving the obstacle. Hi, Bob. I'm helping with loading and unloading.
Good work, you guys. Look at the helicopter fly away.
Bye, Bob.
Hey, tow truck, what do you do?
I tow away the wrecked and disabled cars.
I hope you kids had fun learning the different modes of transport. Let's learn about the animals. Elephant,
Panda,
giraffe, monkey, lion, tiger, sheep, pig, cow, dog, let's learn about transport. Aeroplane, bus, cycle, ambulance, car, rocket, ship, fire engine, taxi, let's learn about vegetables. Tomato, carrot, capsicum, eggplant, mushrooms, potato, broccoli, Cucumber. Let's learn about fruits. Apple. Pear. Grapes. Mango. Banana. Custard apple. Orange. Cherries. Let's learn the colors. Red. Blue. Yellow. Green. Orange. Purple. Pink. Black. White. Gray.